You're about to step inside one of the most iconic homes in all of Warren County. A home that's been standing for more than 150 years and still tells a story the moment you walk through the door. Hi, I'm John Meier, showing you Warren County, and today we're taking a closer look at the historic Schowengerdt House right here in Warrenton. If you've never been, this is a place that truly captures the heart and history of our community. The Schowengerdt home was built in the late 1800s and belonged to Friedrich Schowengerdt, a German immigrant who became a respected businessman and community leader. When you tour the home, you'll walk through rooms filled with original craftsmanship, ornate woodwork, and beautiful fireplace mantels, and authentic Victorian-era furnishings. Every corner of this house reflects the attention to detail and pride that went into building it. It's one of the best preserved Victorian homes in all of Missouri, and it gives you a real look into what life was like generations ago. And now is the perfect time to experience it, because the Schowengerdt House is hosting its annual holiday tours. This is when the house comes alive with Christmas magic. Every room is decorated from top to bottom with Victorian-style Christmas decor, sparkling trees, classic ornaments, warm lighting, and that nostalgic holiday feeling you just can't create anywhere else. The holiday tours are happening December 13th and 14th from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. at 308 East Boonslick Road. This is a great event for families, anyone who loves local history, and anyone looking for that great Christmas spirit. And while you're out, make sure you stop by the Warren County Historical Museum, East Walton. They'll have their Christmas village, activity displays, and tablescapes set up. And this one is completely free to walk through. You can make it an entire festive evening out. So if you're looking for something fun, meaningful, and full of small town charm, make sure you visit the Schowengerdt House tours this weekend. It's a wonderful way to support local history and celebrate the season right here in Warrenton. And while you're downtown, make sure you check out the amazing local shops. I'm John Meier with Westplex Real Estate, here for all your real estate needs, all your real estate decisions, and proud to serve the community I call home.